This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Gustafson. Kings Pointe is a lovely community located in the Western Branch area. It has a great floor plan that flows nicely from the great room to the dining area and is open to the kitchen. Perfect for entertaining. On the first floor is a large bonus/flex room which could be used as a bedroom. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths are upstairs on the second floor. Amenities include a pool, clubhouse, ground maintenance, and water. Sought after school district. Come soon. For more information, review the details below.